Hello guys, this is Technomex9 tutorial and you're here with me, Maureen Ralte. Today I'm gonna teach you how to design this graphic in PowerPoint. There is no animation, just a flat icon design. It's a very basic design and I hope you can do this as well. So let's start with the tutorial. I have created this blank slide already and I have this color palette so that I can use. You can find the PPT for download in the description below, and you will find these color palettes LS as well. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, go to insert, go to shapes, and from rectangles choose rounded rectangle and draw something that looks like this. And as you can see, this is too rounded. With this toggle button, just make it less rounded. So go to shape fill, eyedropper, and I'm gonna use this color. Go to shape outline and no outline. Since this is a little bit too big, I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Yep. So go back to insert, go to shapes and choose a rectangle and draw a rectangle like this. Go to shape outline, no outline. Go to shape fill and use the eyedropper and use this color. Go to insert, go to shapes and choose oval from basic shapes. With the shift key on your keyboard, draw an oval. Place it right in the middle. Go to shape outline, wait to about 6 points and shape outline, use the eyedropper to this, shape fill, eyedropper to this. Now I'm gonna go to insert again, go to shapes and choose oval once again. Draw an oval. Go to shape outline, wait 6 points. Go to shape outline, eyedropper to this. Go to shape fill, eyedropper to this, and go to insert, go to shapes, choose an oval. Now draw a small oval and place it right in the middle. Go to shape outline, wait to 4 points. Shape outline, eyedropper to black, and shape fill to a really black one this time. Now go to insert, go to shapes, rectangle, and draw a rectangle like this. Go to shape outline, no outline. Go to shape fill, eyedropper, use this color and place it right here. Now go to insert, go to shapes and use this rounded rectangle. Draw a rounded rectangle, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, eyedropper to this color. Place it here. right click and send to back. Now duplicate this and then send to back. Now select all these and press Ctrl G to group them. Now go to insert, go to shapes, choose an oval with the shift key on your keyboard, draw an oval, and shape outline, no outline, shape fill, eyedropper, and use this green color and send to back. Now there you go, you finished the first icon. Now let's go and move to the second one. Go to shapes, go to rounded rectangle and draw something that looks like this, and with the yellow toggle here, make it a little bit less rounded. Go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill, eyedropper to this color. Now go to insert, go to shapes, and what I love about this is this folded corner. It looks just like a paper, so place it here. Go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill to white. Go to insert, go to shapes, rounded rectangle, and draw something that looks like this. Shape outline, no outline, shape fill, eyedropper to black. Then go to insert again from shapes, choose this and draw like this. Shape outline, no outline, shape fill to black. Now once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, choose a rectangle and shapes, no outline, shape fill to black. Now duplicate this and make it longer. Duplicate this again one more time. Select both of them and place it out here. Sorry. I'll select this one as well and duplicate them and duplicate one more time. Once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes and choose this and draw something like this. Make it thin from both sides with the yellow toggle. And from shape outline, no outline, from shape fill, choose red color, make it small and turn it like this and place it here like it will look like a checkbox. Now select this whole thing and press Ctrl G to group them. Now duplicate this oval, center back. Now from shape fill, eyedropper, choose this color. Now we'll go to the last icon. With the rounded rectangle, draw something that looks like this. And with the yellow toggle, make it less rounded. Go to shape outline, no outline. Shape fill, eyedropper to this. Go to insert, go to shapes, choose an oval, draw something like this, and insert, go to shapes, choose a rectangle and draw like this. Select both of them, go to merge shapes and subtract, go to shape outline, no outline, and shape fill with the same color and place it here. Once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, choose this and draw something like this. With the yellow toggle, make it smaller from both the sides. Once you've done that, turn it over and place it right here. Go to shape outline, no outline, and shape fill with the same color. Go to insert, go to shapes, use oval and draw an oval. Place the oval there and change it to no outline. Shape fill to this and duplicate it and place it like that. Now once you've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, and from shapes choose a rounded rectangle and draw something like this and make it a bit less rounded, and go to shape outline, no outline, shape fill, eyedropper to this. I'll duplicate this here and from insert go to shapes and use a triangle, and with the triangle place it like this. Select both of them, go to merge shapes and subtract. Once you've done that, go to shape fill, eyedropper and use this color and place it right above. Yeah. Now go to insert, go to shapes and use this. With the shift key on your keyboard, draw something like this. Shape outline, no outline, shape fill, shape fill to this color, place it here. I'm gonna adjust it with the arrow key on my keyboard. Go to insert, go to shapes, and from shapes choose frame and draw a frame like this. Go to shape outline, no outline, and shape fill to this. Once you've done that, select all of them, press Ctrl G to group, duplicate this oval and place it here. Send right click and send to back, and shape fill, eyedropper, change the color to this. Place this right in the middle. There you go, guys. This is how we create flat icons or flat images in PowerPoint. I hope you like my tutorial. So next time I'm gonna bring you another cool tutorial, cool flat designs in just PowerPoint. So please subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and please share my videos so that I can make more tutorials for you guys. Thank you.